brightness on an aggravated battery. One thing.
How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George here again at Wicked Warnings with another brand new 2019 Ford Super Duty. On this build, we're featuring our LIN-6, our TIR3, our auto flasher module on the 5 roof lights, as well as our mirror mod kit. We have our LIN-X in the back, as well as another auto flasher with some more TIR3s, as well as our LED HAW Duo with the steady burn option in a low dome white in the third brake light in the back. As you can see up front, we've got 3 of our LIN-6, and I do apologize, it's extremely bright. This truck is one of the brightest, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off camera here a little bit, off angle, so you can see a little bit better. We've got our LIN-6 in clear in the front, alternating. We've synced them up with a couple of TIR3s mounted down by the tow hook right on the coverage bezel for the bolts on this very beautiful platinum Super Duty F-350. You can also see we've synchronized a pair of amber TIR3s on a faster quad flash pattern down in the fog light bezel. That's for primarily side warning on the front of this truck, but you do see a little bit of that facing the front, a little reflection coming back from the fog lights in the corner of the bumper there. We also have white LIN-X in the side badges. This was a build to order project. This particular owner is a favorite fan of white LED, and it's a white truck, so we did it exactly to his specs. As you can see, the roof lights kind of flicker in there. They're on a very fast flash, and the camera's just having a real hard time picking it up, but I guarantee they are flashing in real life, as well as the mirrors, which the mirrors seem to pick up just fine. It's those little ambers that are camera's having a problem. By the way, Wicked Warnings needs a better camera. I know, I'm getting one. I turned off all the shop lights now, and I can see a little bit better there as far as the flashing roof lights. You can definitely see that LIN-X in an alternating triple flash split pattern in the F-350 badge there that we do so often on the sides. Let me pull it forward and show you a little bit about what we did in the back. I will put a fair warning in right now that the back of this truck is very flashy. I mean, it's really flashy, so hang tight. Well, here's your unobstructed view. Let me close that door and turn the light on and see if I can kind of tone this down a little bit. As I said, this guy's a fan of white, and we built it to his spec, and oh my God, it is bright. We've got the auto flasher wigwagging those OEM platinum LED tails, as you can see, the reverse. We've also got 2 LED HAW duos in each side of that cargo light. 4 total hideaways firing 2x2 up in the third brake light in white, as well as 4 of our LIN-X underneath the tailgate, and 4 of our amber TIR3s. 2 by the plate, synchronized to fire together, which you can see mainly the reflection on the floor more than straight on, and 2 on the the side bezel underneath the factory taillights. So now everything's a little bit brighter. You can get a little bit better view. Let me close up a little bit. Now you can see what I'm talking about. We got them ambers, and in person, in real life, the ambers do stick out. It's just got so much white going on right now that the camera's having a little hard time differentiating. But in real life, you can certainly see both of those amber TIRs by the license plate firing together, and you can, certainly cannot miss all the LIN-X in white underneath the gate down here. We also, of course, did a steady burn on another switch for the cargo because we had to delete the factory cargo lights. So we've added that flood mode on the cargo light per the customer request onto a separate switch, so you can see it's steady right now. And once we turn off auxiliary switch number 3, it goes back to flashing. Auxiliary switch number 1 is flashing the front of the truck. Auxiliary switch number 2 is flashing the back of the truck. And auxiliary switch number 3 is your steady burn cargo light. Again, all spec'd out by the owner, exactly to match a couple of other trucks that he has done relatively the same way. This one is a little bit brighter with a little bit more LED than the last. Here you can see the tail light bezel TIR3s to complement those front ones that were in the fog lights. You can see how we've synchronized all 4 of the TIR3s in the back together to flash. It's also synced up with the front of the truck, so we've got all 6 of those ambers flashing at once. And looks very good. If I don't say so myself, I think this might be one of the brightest trucks I've done in white. And what the customer wants, the customer gets. So thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Check the video description for links to all these products. We're your number one source for construction and safety and emergency equipment. Give us a call for any of your LED lighting needs for boats, vans, trucks, buses, wheelchairs, cars, scooters, anything that you need to flash, we can flash it. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more cool videos like this.